Viewers, as you already know, skeleton-style videos are going extremely viral right now across YouTube Shorts and Reels. Today, I'm going to show you how these unique, trending videos are made using powerful new AI tools, and how you can create them step by step. Without wasting any time, let's begin. Step 1. Open YouTube and search for the channel Helix. Once you open the channel, you'll notice something very interesting. With only a few dozen videos, the channel already has hundreds of thousands of subscribers and multiple shorts with millions of views. That's a clear sign that this niche is trending and has huge viral potential. Click on the Popular Shorts section. You'll see videos with 10 million, 12 million, even 14 million views. Almost every video gets at least 1 to 2 million views. This proves that skeleton-style cinematic shorts are not only unique, but also highly engaging for viewers. Now, pick a scene you like the most. Take a screenshot of that short and save it to your device. This screenshot will help us create a similar style with our own character and story. Next, open ChatGPT. Upload your screenshot and type a prompt like this. I want to create videos in this style. Give me prompts where the main character remains the same in all scenes, in a cinematic 3D realistic style. Within seconds, you'll receive a master character prompt and multiple scene prompts. These prompts will help you generate consistent, high-quality images where the same skeleton character appears in different situations: racing, magic, adventure, and more. Copy all the prompts and paste them into a document so you can use them easily. Now we move to the text-to-image step. Go to your preferred AI image generator website and log in with your Gmail account. Open the image generation section, paste the master character prompt first, then paste your first scene prompt, click Generate. Within moments, your first cinematic skeleton image will be ready. Repeat the process with the remaining prompts. You'll see multiple high-quality images being generated, each with the same character but in different environments and stories. Once all your images are ready, download the ones you like the most. These will be used for the next step. Now we move to image to video. In this step, we'll use two powerful AI tools to turn these images into cinematic short videos. With motion, lighting, and camera effects, your images will transform into viral-ready shorts content. So stay with me, and in the next step, I'll show you exactly how to turn these images into full cinematic videos using AI. Alright viewers, now for the next step, we're going to open a powerful AI video website, Dezign AI. This tool is amazing because once you log in with your Gmail account, it gives you daily credits automatically. After logging in, you'll notice that new credits are added to your account every day, which means you can generate multiple videos without spending money. Without wasting any time, let me quickly show you the videos and images that are already uploaded on this platform by other creators. As you can see, many high-quality AI videos have been generated here. The motion looks smooth, the characters look realistic, and the overall cinematic feel is very impressive. This proves that the tool is capable of producing professional-looking short videos that can easily perform well on social media. Now let's create our own video. Click on the Create option. After clicking, upload your first image, the one we generated earlier with our skeleton character. Once the image is uploaded, paste the video prompt in the prompt box. After pasting the prompt, click on the Generate Video button. You'll notice that the system shows an estimated generation time of about 2 minutes. That means within just a couple of minutes, your image will be converted into a short cinematic video. Also, keep in mind that each video usually costs a small number of credits, so if you have around 150 credits available, you can easily create several videos in one session. Let's wait for the video to render. After a short wait, you can see that our first image-to-video result is ready. Look at the motion, the lighting, and the character animation. The racing skeleton character looks dynamic and cinematic, and the video follows the prompt very closely. This is exactly the kind of short-form content that performs well on YouTube Shorts, Instagram Reels, and TikTok. Now click on the download option and save the video to your device. Next, go back to the image section and upload your second image. Once again, paste the corresponding prompt and click on Generate. After another short wait, your second video will be ready with smooth motion and cinematic animation. Download this video as well. You can repeat this same process for all your images, and within a short time, you'll have multiple short videos ready. These short cinematic clips can then be combined, edited, and uploaded as viral-style content. Now that we've created videos using this first tool, let's move to our second video tool. This next platform will give us even more control over motion, camera angles, and cinematic effects, allowing us to take our skeleton videos to the next level. Alright viewers, now let's move on to the next tool. This one is called Rimana AI. Yes, viewers, this website is also very trending right now, and a lot of creators are using it to generate cinematic AI videos. After opening the website, the first thing you need to do is connect a VPN on your PC. You can use any free VPN. For example, I'm using Hotspot Shield, which is free and works really well. Simply open the VPN and click on the Connect button. Once the VPN is connected, go back to the website and refresh the page. Before turning on the VPN, some AI video features may not appear, but after refreshing with the VPN enabled, you'll see additional AI tools such as AI avatar and AI video options now visible on the screen. Since we want to create videos, click on the AI video option. Now upload your first image, the skeleton image we generated earlier. After uploading the image, paste your video prompt into the prompt box. Before clicking Generate, make sure to select the video model option, such as Video 3.0. This option usually uses a small number of credits, but produces very high-quality cinematic results. Once everything is ready, click on the Generate button. Within 1 to 2 minutes, your first short video will be ready. As you can see, the motion looks smooth, the lighting looks cinematic, and the skeleton character animation looks amazing. This type of magical skeleton video is very trending and has strong potential to go viral on short-form platforms. Now click on the download option and save the video to your device. Next, upload your second image. Paste the corresponding prompt again and click on Generate. Sometimes the progress doesn't show clearly, so you can refresh the page after clicking Generate. After a short wait, your second video will also be ready. As you can see, the result looks very impressive and cinematic. Download this video as well. So viewers, today I showed you two powerful tools. One for generating videos quickly and another for creating high-quality cinematic AI videos. You can use whichever tool you prefer and start creating your own viral skeleton-style shorts. I hope you enjoyed today's video and learned something valuable. If you found this helpful, make sure to subscribe to the channel for more AI content creation tutorials. I'll see you in the next video.